Did you know you can clean a ledger in just a few clicks using Power BI without any coding or getting your hands dirty cleaning up Excel files? Yes, you heard it right. You can simply download the ledger from your ERP system like SAP or Oracle in Excel or CSV file format and you are ready for Power BI. Even better, just upload the next month's Excel file into the same folder and refresh your Power BI report. And guess what? It's all updated with clean data. No need to manually clean it like we used to in Excel. Let's begin. I have created a new folder on my laptop and it currently contains only the January file. If you open the file, you will notice some extra top rows with the company name, report title and period. We likely don't need these for data analysis. Also in column A and B, the values only appear in the first row. The rest are blank. We will need to fill these down so every row has a complete context. Now open Power BI, start with a blank report, go to Get Data and then Folder and click Connect. Copy the folder path from File Explorer and paste it, then click OK. In the next screen, you will see the January file listed. Click Combine and then Combine and Transform Data. When prompted, select the ledger sheet and click OK to enter the Power Query editor. Here is where the real transformation starts. In the Queries pane, you will see a few files and a query for the P&L folder. Now in the P&L folder, first check if there is a step called Change Type in the Applied Step pane. Remove it. These steps automatically change data type and we would rather do it later after cleaning. Everything else stay. Now look at the transform sample file query. This is where we define the standard transformation steps that will apply to every file we load later. It uses the January file just as a sample and standard. The key thing to remember, the steps we apply here are automatically applied to all new files dropped into the folder. You will see some steps already applied, including promoted headers, but this one has an issue. It's promoting the wrong row. Now need to cancel this step. We actually have 4 unnecessary rows above the real headers. So go to Home tab, click Remove Rows and then remove top rows and then enter 4. That removes the top 4 rows. Then click Use first row as a headers to promote the correct header row. Now we need to fill down values in columns A and B. Select both columns, go to the Transform tab, then under any column group, click Fill and then Down. This fills blanks with the values from the row above. Great for ledger structures. Now let's remove null values from the P&L USD column. Just apply a filter, uncheck null and click OK. Back in the P&L folder query where we removed the change type steps earlier. Go ahead and assign correct data types to the columns now. Then go to Home tab and click Close and Apply. In the report view, you will now see the data is updated. Add the matrix visual, drag account names to rows, date as month to columns and P&L USD to values. Now you will see all the numbers. Format P&L USD with commas and remove the decimals for the cleaner visuals. Now go back to File Explorer. Copy the ledger files from February to June and paste them into the same P&L folder. In the Power BI, click Refresh from the Home tab. Instantly the new 5 months are added to your analysis. You can also drag in the fields like account type, subledger or description to your rows to provide deeper insight and more detailed reporting. One more trick here. Let's say you want an account name in order like revenue should come first, followed by cost of goods sold and then operating expense. To do this, create a new file with 2 columns, account name and order. Number them in the sequence you want. For example, revenue is equal to 1, cost of goods sold equals to 2 and so on. Save and close the file. Back in Power BI, import this Excel file, transform if needed, then click Close and Apply. In the model view, create a relationship between a new file's account name and the one in your P&L folder. In your matrix visual, replace the original account name with the one from the new table. Now with the new account name selected, go to Columns tool, sort by column and then choose order. Check your matrix, your accounts are now sorted exactly the way you want. That's all for today. Hope you found this useful. See you in the next one.